Hello, hello you all. Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? Yeah man. What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard. You not pretty? Yeah man. Aye. Another long thing me dey pan you this evening you know. Cause you hear me? The heat a one bad down a yard you know. Really bad. So but I just decided to make a come up with some nice little beverage, a nice little jam down to earth. But not look no whole extra nothing. You know, you just sit down home and you feel like say boy you want to sit down on your veranda. I don't know how you go in your living room or whatever. And most of the time now you come from work up on the veranda you for because the heat are going bad. Eh? So I have inside you saying I'm a little juice jug. I have some ice. Yeah? And I have a pack of tang. I have a pack of tang here, and this is pineapple flavored tang. Yeah? So I'm going to empty it out in my jug, just like that. I have some champagne syrup right here, and I'm going to pour in some. And I'll never add to this some water. Pure water. And we're just gonna stir. We never have to taste it, you know. Because I just know the mixing of the flavor. The pineapple tang, the champagne syrup. Yeah man. And we just stir. Alright? We have a glass them. But we set for freeze. Yeah, I know now I set glass to freeze. Now man your head gone. Now man it not gone man, it there right here so. So we have a little frozen glass them with a little ice inside it. So we are gonna pour. Right? See it? No sediment, everything dissolved. Go and pour. We just go and pour. We have a little mason jar. We are going to pour. Yup. Right here, we have one tin, a smrinoff, guarana, but listen to me, the flavor good. Flavor good like that. Watch how we are going to angle it now. We are going to pour in about half tin. I look like you can take the whole tin in our glass. Yup. We are putting in with straw. And we are going to stir up this. And this. To clean up my ear and take this out of the way. Alright, I know a presentation. You know, hey, you know the thing a long thing. Yeah man, see it here? But listen to me now. 18 and over, drink responsibly. This is for the under 18. And this is for the 18 and over. Because the thing there having some alcohol, serious alcohol content in it. So, under 18, drink so till you drop asleep. Yeah? This, 18 and over, drink responsibly. If you know you're gonna drive, no drink none. You understand? Make somebody else drive you and if you're drinking. Alright? Yeah. So, we are going to taste you now. So, we try like it get a little bit because our glass too big. After we sit there, you know. So, I'm going to put them off them on this, you know. You don't know we are big people. We can't hold with liquor. So, this we are going to drink. Listen to me. From my kitchen to yours. Cheers. Enjoy. I got taste. My. Me just taste now. I got drink now. The flavor of the pineapple tang, That little something there from the champagne syrup. And the ginseng and the alcohol will come out of the smrinoff something. Remember me tell you, man. This is a must. This is a must for your summer beverage. Yeah, man. Just a little Jamaican down to earth beverage from West Indian Delights. Listen to me. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do that. Thumbs up this little down to earth Jamaican beverage. Yeah, man. Leave your comments below. Turn on your notification. And listen to me. Stick and stay, you know. Debbie from down a yard. Cut me a cut, you know. Boom.